Hey, if Raycast is not working on your Mac, yeah, that can seriously slow down your workflow. But don't worry. In this guide, I'll show you the fastest ways to fix it and get everything running again. All right, first, try restarting Raycast. Open Activity Monitor, find Raycast, and force quit it, then launch it again. Next, check your keyboard shortcut. If Raycast isn't opening, the shortcut might be changed or conflicting with another app. Now, go to your Mac's system settings and check permissions. Yeah, Raycast needs accessibility and automation access to work properly. If it's still not working, just restart your Mac. This clears background issues that might be blocking Raycast. Also, make sure Raycast is up to date. Outdated versions can cause bugs or crashes. If nothing works, remove Raycast and reinstall it. Yeah, this usually fixes deeper issues. One more thing, make sure your macOS is updated. Some Raycast features may not work on older versions, and yeah, that's it. One of these steps should fix Raycast not working on your Mac. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.